it is so hot today. It's literally like 93 degrees. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Julie. Welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the IPSY June mystery glam bags. We have the Orchid Bloom mystery glam bag and the Petal Pop mystery glam bag. I love that they're like a matching pattern. This makes it really great to travel when it's like a matching set like this, and it kind of matches my outfit today, so I love that. I'm gonna start with the Orchid Bloom. The March mystery bags were so good. It was the moss one. I don't know if it's still available on the site, but that one was like top notch. It's this satin orchid bag, and it has this blue detail on the zipper and this super cute little orchid charm. And it is fully lined inside, which I love. Like, I love the contrast of colors here. Honestly, this might be my favorite like bag pattern they've had all year. And the orchid has like kind of like a zebra print to it, which is really cool. Okay, first thing in here is the Beauty Stat lip serum, and this is an SPF lip gloss. I actually already have one of these, but in a different color. Okay, yeah, I do already have one of these in baby pink. This one is in natural peach, and I personally love these for the beach or on the boat. They're super thick. Honestly, this color is really good. You see that peachy color? That's a really great first product. Love that. Next, ooh, is the Lith Sunset Blush Palette. I did just film this sun-kissed makeup look, so if you want to see it, I'll have it linked below. Maybe I should do like a sunset look too. Ooh, rose, clay, sepia, and berrywood. Let's see. Super cute. Oops. Okay, interesting. The color story on the back, in my opinion, does not reflect what's going on here. These are all very similar, in my opinion. The back looks like this, and the actual products look like this. So I'll swatch them for you. We have berry, sepia, clay, and rose. Let me do a better swatch of the rose. That's the rose. The rose does have some glitter. Should I try some? I'm gonna go, I do already have like a full face on, but I just wanna see. Maybe clay. Oh wow. That is. They're actually really pigmented. In the pan they look kind of chalky, but putting them on. Okay, cool. Love that. Yay. Next, this is What's Up Beauty Rose Hippity Liquid Matte Blush in Leonidas. I do already have one of these in a totally different color. This is in Heirloom, and this one is in Leonidas, which is, ooh, oh my gosh, this color is gorgeous. I should do like a whole brick terracotta look. Honestly, I could do a whole look with these three products right here. This is like, so far so good. This is like such a good summer beach makeup bag. Two more products. The e.l.f. Beauty Glow Wand Blush in Magic Hour. Ooh, it's like super coppery. Holy cow. You could use this like on your body. You could use it on your face, on your eyes. The only thing is that the product is like coming out and I can't get it to close. So it's just coming out nonstop. It's like the mechanism to close it is broken. I don't know, that could get really messy. So, and last in the Orchid Bloom mystery bag is, okay, this is a Uoma product. It's called Supa Natural Glow. I don't know if this is skincare. Oh yeah, this is skincare. Okay, so it's skincare. You basically use it under a moisturizer. Wow. Vitamin C, niacinamide, hyaluronic, and vitamin E. Ooh. Honestly, 10 out of 10. This bag I think it was like $34, $35, and every single product in there was amazing. Let me know if you guys want me to do like a full face with just the products, the makeup products. I feel like I could get a really good look with just these products right here. Next, the Petal Pop mystery bag. This has the same print, just not zoomed in. It's like the smaller. It also still has the orchid charm, but the zipper is a different color. It's gray. And it's lined with black. Honestly, I think it would be really cute if they did the blue as well, since they made them matching, but whatever, it's still cute. Okay, now in these, the Glam bags, they're all like trial size products. So, Dew of the Gods, Villa Nitro, under eye treatment. It's like a caffeine peptide under eye treatment. I have this in patches and I really, really like them. I take them on the plane with me. And how great is this? A little mini travel size. Love that. I've had this product before. This is the Retrovision Reset Clarity Clay Mask. I already have this. It's awesome. I'm gonna add this to like my gift bin because I think that would be really cute to like throw in as a little gift for someone, like in a gift bag. Oh, awesome. Glycolic acid nip fab, a little travel size. I love glycolic acid. I do personally really love chemical exfoliants, and glycolic is so useful for so many different things. I'll like put a little blurb down here of the uses for it, but you can use it for like under your armpits too. So love that. Next is the Blink Tubing Brow Gel. Honestly, this product's fine. I have received so many of them. So I'm also gonna put this in the gift bin. And then lastly, this is the Ciate London Glow Highlighter in Celestial. I feel like I've had this product before. It's honestly fine. It's like, okay, up close you can't really see it, but the mica kind of separates a little bit. It's not super smooth or creamy, so this is just like, whatever. I'll probably just give this to Violet, honestly, as like a little eyeshadow for her. So in summary, between the two, this one was really, really good, actually. Probably one of the best bags of the year. Would highly recommend picking this up if it's still available. This one, pass on, unless you want the bag. Super cute bag as like a matching travel set, but this one was really good. That is what was in the Orchid Bloom and the Petal Pop mystery bags from IPSY for the month of June. You guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what you want to see next. I like love hearing from y'all, and thank you so much for watching.